Good morning. So today it's day one. Yes, today is only day one, and right now we are in the rooftop of a hotel, and you can see easily the Namsan Tower there. It's looking pretty, right? So right now we are having breakfast. So let me show you that what we are having for breakfast. For some reason, I don't know, I want to eat tteokbokki in the morning, and that's potato fries. Then just a little bit healthy. That's why I've taken 2 grapes. No, it's not called grapes. What is called? I don't know. It's expensive grapes. Then blueberry yogurt and a cappuccino. That's it. ये एंगल बहुत ही weird लग रहा है, but okay. Just because of the Namsan Tower. So while I'm eating, I thought that I should give you a look from the how it looks from the rooftop. Okay, let's go. Hi. Just tall buildings and the main one, the Namsan Tower. बहुत धूप है. Let's go.
Let's go. Are you guys excited?
Yes, very
Yes.
excited for color theory. We're going to have some workshop now. Let's learn something.
We will get to know what are the colors that suits us.
Yes.
Let's
Hopefully the colors
I
that we
will
like.
I think
suit
this
us.
only happens in Korea, right?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
it only happens in
Are you
Korea.
not excited?
Very excited.
Very excited. First I was thinking that it's a waste of money. Like truly, bro. First I thought that ki whatever you like, be comfortable in it and just go for
Yeah,
it.
like what is the color that you suits you
But we are
don't
doing
like
it because it's free.
Yeah, true.
And it's a workshop, so we learn something.
Yeah,
And if you don't like the color, it's fine. We'll still wear it. It's fine.
Yeah. It's just for free, so we are just trying. But we are excited as well. Chalo, bye bye. Cute है?
तो बताती हूँ.
They have so much love into them.
Yes. And they're wearing such cute skirts.
Old people are wearing skirts. No,
Yeah, just
they are
now
young.
New me in Korea.
Super excited. Yes, they're super excited. हर बार हम लोग 250 देख ले, पर हम लोग 250 नहीं जा रहे हैं.
एक तो ना जब ये 250 बोलती मुझे लग रहा है 250 बोल रही है.
वहाँ पे 250 रुपए में ही सब कुछ मिलता है, इसीलिए. It's the cheapest store, cheapest place in Korea. अगर कुछ यहाँ पे cheap मिलेगा तो 250 में ही मिलेगा, for sure.
जापानीज है ना ये? जापानीज है ना ये?
पता नहीं क्या है, क्या जापानीज कोरियन फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
कोरियन नहीं है, जापानीज है.
वो लोग कितना क्यूट लग रहा है पीछे. ये भी क्यूट लग रहा है.
तुम तीनों वो लग रहे हो. और सुनीता.
सोनाली इज लाइक कि मैं व्लॉग ऐसे करूँगी. रुको, सुंदर लग रहा है. आराम से गिर जाएंगे हम लोग. सीढ़ी देख के जाने के लिए.
सीढ़ी चेक देख के जा.
अभी बंद कर देते तो दोनों गिरेंगे व्लॉग करते करते. कौन सा नाम है? सिन यॉनसन. कौन गिरा? गुंजन गिरी. फोन तो मैं भी देख रही हूँ, बट मैं भी व्लॉग बना रही हूँ, मुझे देखना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो मैं भी उसकी तरह गिरूंगी. मैं भी बना रही हूँ, वो गिरी, अब मुझे डर लग रहा है कि मैं भी ना गिर जाऊँ. मैं तो उससे भी ज़्यादा clumsy हूँ. Okay.
Can you come here once? Oh. Hey, it's a video.
All are looking pretty. All are beautiful. Sim Yon Sun, right?
What is it?
Sim Yon Sun.
Yes.
Sim Yon Sun, guys.
Station.
Sim Yon Sun station. Reached Sim Yon Sun station.
Yeah, Sin Yong
We are doing color theory. Yay.
Station.
Yes. Lanchi आई नहीं रही है फ्रेंड पे.
We've all reached Sin Yong Sang station. Let's go for color theory now.
Yes, we are super excited. But first, मैंने बोल चुकी हूँ मुझे पहले लगा था कि वेस्ट ऑफ मनी होगा. तो आई एम लाइक कि जो भी कंफर्टेबल है वो पहनो. But because of
But still, it's a good experience,
That's
no?
why.
As Tanya said yesterday.
Oye, oye. The lighting is
It's unreal. Seriously.
It's so nice. Like the sun is kissing you.
You just wanted to.
I want
We click so many pictures here. It's Tanya. बहुत धूप है. ये लोग बोल कैसे रहे कि हम पे ठंड कम है. कि जब भी सन आ रहा है ना तभी अच्छा लग रहा है. इट्स रियली कोल्ड. कि सुबह कि शाम हम लोगों ने पहना है बस स्टाइल मारने के लिए. ओके, लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत ठंड है. वी आर लिटरली हैविंग गूज बम्प्स हियर. शी इज़ वेयरिंग अ जैकेट. आई एम नॉट बिकॉज इट्स नॉट मैचिंग विद द ड्रेस. दैट्स व्हाई.
You have any idea of what would be the hair color?
hair color.
Hair color price.
I'm not sure.
It's outfit of the day, guys.
Yeah, 1 minute. Behind we will die with. While doing outfit of the day, cars will kill us. Hold on, hold on. Now you can do outfit of the day.
Yes.
This we can. It's a good spot. Okay, so.
Yeah, we can have like a memory that we went on a trip.
Yeah, we can get the pictures because I have heard.
Yeah, let's go now. Just ask them.
When you just ask them like how does it work? What should we do?
How is it work? I know, but what's the price here? But the pictures would come out really great.
Exactly.
The pictures would come out really great. We can ask somewhere, but no one is here. Self-service thing or not, but if no one is present, if no one is present, then it's self-service. But we don't know. Yeah, after some time we can come.
So cool.
You can wear it.
Oh, futuristic girl.
Oh yeah, bro, sick. It looks suits you also. Yeah. Mostly the thing I find these kind of aesthetics.
Can you see anything from there?
Can you see it once? Can you see anything once you wear it?
Yeah, I can't see anything.
Then,
But it's very cool.
but she can't know. It's not at all looking cool. How is it looking cool?
Guys, you tell us. What do you think? Is it cool? Is it not cool? Let us know.
I'm not like.
She doesn't like anything there.
Like,
Doesn't even
like how can you wear?
She's a
You
red
want to
flag,
become
not
blind?
wearing red
She's a
top.
red. I'm not a red flag. But it's not
Everyone.
I'm not a red flag.
Let's do outfit.
Yeah, I'm wearing red, but I'm not red flag.
Then what do you want?
Wow, you have a picture.
No, you're the red flag.
No, I am not the red flag. How can you become the red flag,
There's
bro?
lot of negativity all in
No, there's no negativity. I always said the facts.
Radiating facts.
facts. Oh my
Yes,
god.
it's
She's
facts.
very honest. She is straightforward. She
Yeah,
will
true.
spit
Accept
facts on your face.
Yeah, that's why I become the red flag.
So cute. I'm so happy I met someone like Bhavya.
Yes,
I would not be
That's why I don't
satisfied
have
if
boyfriend, you know.
exactly. Our trip wouldn't be this
But I'm
fun
happy.
without
I think
Bhavya.
lot of guys here will look at Bhavya because she looks like exactly like the kind of person they would want.
Nobody has looked till now.
How do you know?
I haven't
myself
said
seen,
anything.
You may not have noticed.
You're just not coming and approaching.
We have observed. Yesterday they were asking, no, come into the car, where to go, where to go.
तो मैं जब तुम लोगों के साथ थी तब पूछे, जब मैं नहीं थी तुम पूछा नहीं किसी ने.
नहीं. अब मुझे क्या पता था?
झूठ बोल रहे गाइस.
अकेले
ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता.
अकेले क्या हुआ हमें क्या पता.
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता.
अरे वो
लिटरली.
कैफे किधर गए? यहाँ पे हम खिड़की पे रख के फोटो ले रहे थे.
Yeah, that was
हम लोग-
that side, no?
चलो let's go that side. I'm so confused. Wait.
Is there any market or something nearby? We
We can
go
shop.
that side and then we try to
हम लोग की शॉपिंग कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है गाइस.
Yeah, exactly.
It's looking like window.
Yeah, this is a window.
It's a window.
I wish we were taller.
Window
You guys will
aesthetic.
take a photo. Yeah.
But I'm looking like really short.
This is hard. I think we should do that. What is that?
Even if we wear the heels now, we'll look good.
Outfit check.
Yeah, outfit check.
Fine, then they'll be like they'll understand. हम
Yeah,
यही करेंगे.
exactly.
एक second guys.
How we are giving out outfit checks?
My socks everything to get covered for it.
Yeah, like this. I
Just button
Sorry.
it up so that it does.
music, bro.
Yeah, they have amazing music. We should accept it. Okay, let's put our
We have
bags over.
accepted even before also the musical rate.
Yeah.
But I think the best one is our Bollywood. I'm not judging. I'm comparing. Every song is best. Not Bollywood. Even Bollywood and K-pop. Janvi! Bro, you remember the signal side? Or you come the frame?
Almost at the end of the road.
Wait, I'm coming. It's really nice. We're looking super cute.
Yeah, we all have this cute fit check.
Yes. They have chosen good outfits for us.
Yeah. Credit codes for Papaya outfit for me, okay guys?
तुम तो ऑन ही नहीं किया.
I'm seeing the lighting because the lighting is
Lighting
really
is good. Use the natural camera, the original camera of iPhone.
Why is it not happening with me?
तू मेरे फ्रेम में आ रही है बार बार. What the? Isn't good.
Fit check. The lighting is really bad in my phone. What's wrong with my phone? I don't know.
But I'm having the same camera.
Exactly, that's what.
Don't use the filters. Use the natural
Natural
original
one
camera
is
iPhone.
not coming nicely. See?
You can up the brightness in the InShot app or any other editor.
That's
editing
what
app.
I was checking out. Let's see with filter also.
That's why I'm using the original camera of the iPhone. It will look good. And because of the sunlight, it's looking more good. It's looking more nice. I can take the screenshot also from the video.
Yeah, you can do that.
I want to take something from the convenience store.
Yeah, water bottle.
Water bottle?
Yes.
Only
As
water?
Indians, we have forgotten to go carry water.
Because outside, we can get this.
We'll keep one. Sorry. Yeah, we can leave it.
Yes.
And we're also thinking what else to take, guys. Yes. Some candy. Candy.
And they are here for the gums.
experience.
Yeah, they are here for the gums. Banana milk, but not this banana milk.
The other one, the one we had
Yeah,
yesterday.
what I've taken yesterday.
That is the
Lot of
OG one,
options.
no? Like that is. Look at all this meat
Should we
option.
make something and have it? Like,
Ramen.
no.
Should we have after color too?
So I think we should go. Sorry.
What we should have?
Huh?
Lunch. I mean food.
What's that?
You want sugar, no sweet item?
I don't want sugar.
sugar, no, sweet dish.
Sweet, I don't like sweet from the first thing in the morning. No, I like sweet. I have a sweet tooth, guys. So I love sweets.
Yeah, breakfast.
Hey, have you ever tried? You tried?
I
No?
didn't try it. I bought it. It's in the room. Yeah, I'm yet to try.
After you try, you will tell me how
Yeah,
it tastes.
I will tell
Or I
you.
can get a bite from it, then I will bite.
Yeah, but do you eat spam? It has spam. Spam is pork.
No, I don't eat pork.
But they have chicken options, so we can get you some chicken options.
Chicken and
mayo.
mayonnaise.
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll buy the water bottle and check out. Yeah. No gums, right, Janvi?
That's what I'm wondering. We should get one gum or something.
Yeah. You're a little thirsty. You should get the water first. Do the
Don't
vlog also
enable it. Yeah.
as a sweet memory.
Yeah. No problem. Love you. Thank you. Bye.
Chala.
So now we're looking for some spots where we can take some videos, guys.
Yes.
We can share some good videos, some good content with you.
And also the pictures.
Yeah, of course.
We have taken a lot, but still, we are greedy
why
for
not
the
take
pictures.
some more? Yeah.
We are greedy.
Also-
Everyone is greedy. If you have come for the it's your first international flight, no,
Again, I
not
have had
hers.
international flight.
Not
It's
hers.
my first,
It's my
but
first international flight to South Korea. I haven't manifested it, but I always told when my mom asks me that when are you gonna use this one, when are you gonna use that one. I always buy things. I always do shopping for only for clothes and I'm not a big fan of accessories.
Evidently,
From
we are.
the
We
brand
are
I have
the
got this because I haven't bought that much accessories. I'm not a big fan of accessories. I'm like a tomboy, to be
But
honest.
today she's a girly girl.
Yeah, today I'm looking good.
Yeah, girly girl for sure.
Yeah. Today I'm looking like a girl with skirt and all this. Otherwise, I will always wear jeans. I'm very comfortable in wearing jeans. Are we gonna cross the road?
No. We'll walk to the other see. I don't think we should take a risk and cross the road. Coming back is difficult, guys.
Yes.
But we'll see what are there. Out of all.
Because it's not India that we will do this. Wait.
And then we'll be like, भैया
भैया रुको भैया थोड़ा रुको हम लोग को जाने दो. But no one will
उड़ा
wait.
देंगे, guys,
No
उड़ा
one will wait here. उड़ा देंगे और डायरेक्टली हम लोग पहुंच
I
जाएंगे.
swear. और गलती हमारी होगी and then we won't make it back.
Yeah. And we do argue also. We are not criticizing, but
We are Indians, guys.
Yeah.
We appreciate it. It's just that we know other people are not as understanding as us.
yeah.
Also, Koreans are also nice. Not that Koreans are not understanding.
Before coming here, many of them say that they will make fun of your looks or something. But I know that they like Indian girls.
I also think that
Indian
they
boys also,
appreciate
but
it.
yeah,
They appreciate
they're very sweet. Very sweet, very respectful.
very nice. Guys, we're having some candy.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah, it's very nice. Convenience store candy. Yes, see, convenience store candy, guys.
I'm nothing to. Did you see the way she spoke, Dhwani? And she's talking, even if it's Tanya or Gunjan or whoever it may be, bro, you will talk like that? Exactly.
Really?
You said I have panic attacks and everything. What if they have?
Exactly. Like, I mean, like, equivalent to that only, right? Like,
Yeah.
is it really that? What do you think?
In the beginning, I didn't like Dhwani's tone also. Like, not now, very
in the
beginning.
beginning,
So I completely knew me again. I said that if this lady is talking to me, then it won't. And then she started talking to me nicely. So then even I started talking to her nicely. That's what Jay was asking yesterday. What, Dhwani is sweet? Are you serious? I thought you both. He was thinking that me and Dhwani might have a fight
yeah.
in this trip because he doesn't know who is all coming, right? He was thinking that I think you can proceed with others.
Yeah.
See?
No, at least try.
See, you
really want me to
and then yeah, exactly. If it is from my side, see my side text and Kathy's side text. The way she spoke, see, pleasingly. I'll show Shivita's text. I was so frustrated and I said I'll not come.